Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of hardware: tool, machinery, or other durable equipment. For example, tanks and other military hardware. American pronunciation: hardware. Hardware. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Hardware. Say, hardware. Hardware means tools, machinery, and other durable equipment. Hardware. Hardware. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He showered it with billions of dollars of military hardware. Now, repeat after me. He showered it with billions of dollars of military hardware. The second practice. There's been some heavy hardware going in and out of that place. Now, repeat after me. There's been some heavy hardware going in and out of that place. Visual representation of hardware. Hardware means tool, machinery, or other durable equipment.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.